Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll teach you how to download and install Primavera software. First, go to Google and type Primavera e-delivery. Click on the link that leads to edelivery.oracle.com. This is Oracle's official software delivery website. Once you're on the site, click on Create Account. You'll be taken to the account registration page. These are the requirements for creating a new Oracle account. Enter your email address, as I'm doing here. Choose a secure password, select your country, choose your industry sector. Fill in all the required fields and then click Next. Oracle will send you a verification email. Open your email inbox, I'm using Gmail here, and look for the email from Oracle. Click on Verify Email Address, SAW. Once your email is verified, you'll see a message saying your account is ready. Now, continue to sign in. Click the Sign In button and enter the email and password you just used to register. Click Sign In again. After logging in, you might see a message saying that account approval can take up to 24 hours. I'll wait for the account to be approved and then continue with the installation steps. Here we are. I waited for around 12 hours, and now the Oracle e-delivery process is complete. My registration is done, and I can finally download the Primavera software. On the Oracle e-delivery page, click on Download Package under the Categories section. In the search bar, type Primavera Project. From the drop-down suggestions, select Primavera P6 Professional Project Management. Make sure to select the latest version, which in my case is 24.112. The older versions are listed below, but it's always recommended to download the most recent version. Once you select the latest version, it will be added to your cart. You can view the added item by clicking View Items, or go directly by clicking Continue. In the next tab, you'll see the download options. This software is designed for Microsoft Windows, so check all the available files and click Next. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the Oracle License Agreement. Make sure to check I have reviewed and accept the Oracle License Agreement, and then click Continue. Now you'll see a list of 3 to 4 downloadable components. You can either download only the main file, Primavera P6 Professional Applications, 171 megabytes, which is enough for basic use. Or, as I recommend, download all the files for full functionality. Click the Download button. A small installer file around 3.5 megabytes will start downloading. This installer will help you download the actual software. Launch the installer, choose your destination folder, and click Next. The full software will now begin downloading. Once the download is complete, open the destination folder. You'll see 4 zip files. Extract any one of them. Extracting one will extract all 4 into a single folder. Now go into the folder and locate the P6 Pro Setup zip file. Extract it as well. Inside, you'll find the exe file to begin the installation. Run the installer. When prompted, choose the typical installation type and click Next. The installation process will begin. Once installation is complete, you'll be prompted to configure the database. Click OK to proceed. Here, you'll set up your login credentials. Click Add, choose driver type P6 Professional Standalone SQLite. Leave the connection name as default or change it if you prefer. Select Add a new standalone database and connection. Click Next. On the next screen, you can enter your login name, e.g. your personal name, I used Kashif, and set a password. Most users go with admin as the default password. You can also change the currency symbol and other settings here or adjust them later inside Primavera. Click Next and then Save. Your configuration is now complete. Close the setup window. Open the Start menu, search for P6 Professional 24 star, and click to launch it. Log in using the username and password you just created, usually admin/admin. That's it. Primavera P6 Professional is now installed and ready to use. The best part? This version runs offline, so you don't need an internet connection to use it once installed. Click OK and the software will open. Installation complete. You're all set. Thank you for watching my YouTube video on how to download and install Primavera software. If you found it helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to share your feedback in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts.